Good morning, sir. I'm Janandrin Baguin from BSIT 3C. Number 1. Look at some of the other definition of the term architecture. Architecture is a combination of art and science, although art and science are independently vast streams. They are deeply rooted to architecture. How are they similar? We say that two objects are similar if they are proportional. How are they different? In effect, in building the outral structures, they must be sure that the actual objects are similar to the corresponding object in the plan. 2. Conway's law Conway 1968 suggests that the structure or architecture of a system being developed and the organization developing it must be closely aligned. Can you see some of the difficulties that might arise as a result of their misalignment? The law is based on the reasoning that in order for a software module to function, multiple authors must communicate frequently each other. Therefore, the software interface structure of a system will reflect the social boundaries of the organization that produced it. A course with communication is more difficult. Conway's law was intended as a valid sociological observation, although sometimes it's used in humorous contexts. 3. Do you think an existing organization structure will constrain the architecture of future products that might be developed? 3. Yes, because the purpose of organization structure is to distribute the decision of executive management down through administrative levels, where the managers interpret those decisions and put them into practice. 4. Give some examples of incidental and accidental complex to illustrate the difference between the two. Incidental complex is anything about software that is hard but doesn't really have to be, and the accidental complex relates to problem with engineers create and can fix. For example, the details for writing and optimizing assembly code or the details caused by the batch processing. 5. Modularity, splitting a system into units or modules that are structurally independent of one another, is one way to create flexible systems that can manage change effectively. What do you understand by the statement? Illustrate with an example. 5. For me, modularity may split sa system para mahimong units or module nga structurally independent sa usag-usa ug ang modularity ang usa ka paagi to create a flexible and system nga makamanage ug makausab effectively. That's all, sir. Thank you.